Open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Drag this video to the timeline. Resize this video, then add text and stretch this text to the end of the video. Write your desired text and customize it. Afterwards, go to the blend options and decrease opacity to 50% or below. Then apply appropriate animation for your watermark. If you use the same watermark often, right-click the text/image in the timeline and save as preset for future use. Click Export and choose your preferred settings before saving.